Okay, number 12. A crest on a section of highway consists of a vertical curve with 1,500 meter radius and a positive 1% grade followed by a negative 3% grade. So, lagay natin. G1, 1%. G2, negative 3%. The design requirements are as follows. So, you have the design speed, driver eye height, object to be avoided height, stopping sight distance, no? So ito yung S, 300 meters. And then the minimum required length for the vertical curve needed to satisfy the design stopping sight distance is most nearly what? So pinapahanap yung length ng curve. Okay, so actually formula based ito. We have this formula even in our book, no? So summarize lang natin. So dalawang case ito kapag pull out ko yung book natin para alam niyo kung saan titignan. Pero dapat kabisado yung formula, no? Okay, so sa page 264, kunin ko na lang yung para makita niyo lahat. Ito. So this is the basis of that. Okay? Ayan. So, kapag ang sight distance, para ito sa summit. So, ito, crest curve. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung applicable dyan. So, crest curve, kasi di ba, from positive grade to negative. So, ibig sabihin yung curve natin dyan, summit curve. So, ito yung applicable. Ayan. Okay? So, kapag daw yung sight distance mas maliit sa length ng curve, ito yung formula. Tapos yung H1, H2 dito, yan yung height ng driver eye, tsaka yung height ng object. So, bali, ito na yung H1, H2 dyan. Interchangeable naman yan, so it doesn't matter. So, sino yung H1, sino yung H2. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin. Kapag naman yung sight distance mas malaki sa L, ito naman yung gagamitin. So, ganun lang, no? Pero paano yun? Hindi ko pa nga alam yung L. Diba? Hindi ko pa nga alam kung ano yung, kasi hinahanap pala natin yung L. So, paano natin malalaman kung alin dyan sa dalawang yun yung gagamitin? Okay, so dito mag-a-assume lang tayo. No? So, pwede na assume natin na S is greater than L, kunwari. Assume natin. Assume. So, pero 50-50 yung chance ito na tatama yung assumption mo. Pero it's okay kahit alin yung una mong ma-assume. Assume natin ganyan. So, ito yung formula, no? So, L is equal to 2S. So, diretsuhin ko ng isubstitute tayo. Yung S natin, 300 minus 200 times square root of H1, 1.2 plus square root of H2, which is 0.2, tapos squared over absolute value lang ng difference ng dalawa. So, gagawin na natin yung decimal. 0.01 minus, actually, wag, kasi meron pala itong over 100. So, parang yan, I mean, ito 200. Yan yung kailangan naka-percent. So, 1 minus negative 3. So, actually, mag-a-add lang talaga yan. So, tandaan nyo na, ito rin yung ito rin yung delta natin. Ito. Okay, yung difference ng grade. Okay? So, pag ginumpute natin yung L dyan, 2 times 300 minus 200 times square root of 1.2 plus square root of 0.2 squared over 1 minus negative 3. Di ba 4 lang yun? So that gives us 481.01. Okay? So, as you can see, ang lumabas na L na mas maliit sa S, kasi ang S, mas malaki sa S. Kasi ang S natin 300 eh. So, yung L na lumabas, mas malaki sa S na 300. So, ibig sabihin, wrong assumption. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin to tatanggapin. So, ano ang tama? Dapat pala, S is less than L. So, kung S is less than L naman, yung formula for L, ito naman, no? So, magiging 1 minus negative 3, S is 300 squared over 100 times square root of 2 times 1.2 plus square root of 2 times 0.2 squared. And if you calculate this, 4 times 300 squared over 100 times square root of 2 times 1.2, 2 times 0.2 squared. So that gives us 756.37. Okay? And as you can see, tama na yung assumption natin dito. 300 is less than our L. So therefore, ito yung tatanggapin natin na answer. So in our choices, that is most nearly 760 meters. Okay? So same lang din, halimbawa, sir, paano kung hindi yan crest or summit curve? Paano kung ano yan, sag curve? Ibig sabihin, negative yung G1, positive yung G2. So ang gagamitin mo naman na formula, ito naman. Okay? Tapos, sa formula dito, di ba may nakalagay dito? Sir, may nakalagay dyan na maximum allowable speed. Ito. Tapos may makukompute kang L. So, guys, applicable lang ito kapag sag. No? Itong formula to is only applicable for sag. So, kung sag sana to, itong problem na to, kukumpitin din natin yung magiging length based on the vehicle speed. Kasi may binigay siyang design speed eh. Ayan, no? Okay? Pero dahil crest curve ito or summit curve, no need to do that. Kasi wala naman tayong ganong criteria kapag summit curve. Okay? So, i-apply nyo lang to kapag sag curve. So, bali ganito. May makukompute ka na L galing sa sight distance, may makukompute ka na L galing sa velocity, no? So, of course, you will choose no, yung optimum. Okay? Whichever is larger. Okay? Kasi larger L means mas safe. Okay?